This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are my own.
Alright, you got the Emliviar outdoor wall sconce. Seated glass, aluminum, perfect for the weather. Takes a regular light bulb and you can get your hand in there easy. Breeze to install, but always ask someone if you need help. Just 3 wires. Great for the front porch. I'm going to install this for you and show you how it looks. As you can see here, I don't have a mounting plate on there, and my junction box is turned sideways. So they give us this mount with it. They give you everything you need. Wire ties, the mount. So I'm going to mount this onto the box. We're going to put the light on these 2 screws. So I'm going to get that going now. There we go. Next move, I'm going to attach the ground cable onto here and then attach the ground cable light onto here so the light can hang down. There we go. 1 done. The ground is done. 2 more wires to go. White to white, black to black. At this point, I like to put tape around here. That's just me. Let's just push these back in here and hang the light on there. We're going to back these screws off a little bit to make sure that there's enough room for the caps to go on here. So let me do that. I think that's going to do it. All right, next move is we're going to put the little black washers on. These little black washers. And we're going to cap it off. So we should be good. I'm going to crank these down just a little tiny bit. There we go. Done. And there it is. Nice, classic, traditional look. The Emliviar Outdoor Wall Light OS 1803 EW1.